Hello, 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 everybody. My name is Jackie Price. I am a full-time work from home online marketer, entrepreneur, mentor. This is my Facebook page that we're looking at right now. And I'm just here to do a quick video to show you proof of how you too can earn money from home, working from home, even in this pandemic that we're in right now. So I'm excited about that. And I want to invite you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Be sure and hit the little bell so that you will get all notifications of upcoming videos about how you can work from home full time and earn money to take care of your family, go on trips, vacations, whatever you want to do. But here we are, we're on my page, so I want you to know that I am a real person. And today we're going to talk about how you can earn money from home and by performing simple tasks on Facebooks. So we want to know, what are the tasks? What are the tasks? What are the tasks? So let's go over here to the Facebook group. See if we can get in here to the Facebook group. And the name of the platform is Successful Solution Method. Okay, let me see if I can move this a little bit right here. Okay, so, oh my goodness, look, there's 5,000 members in our group right now, and it's absolutely growing and growing and growing and growing. Let's see what's going on in the group, guys. People want to know what the tasks are. Here's Melvin. Melvin's made $100 in his sleep during breakfast. Look at that. Then he has proof right there. Here is Jesselyn. Jesselyn's made $100 on this Sunday morning. Look at that. Successful solution method, guys. And you want to know what the tasks are? The tasks are getting in this group, commenting and liking posts. Here's $200, $250. This is from Miss Andrews. I don't know how to say her first name, so I won't butcher it. But this is Andrews, Miss Andrews, $450. Look how happy she looks. Isn't it amazing? It's absolutely amazing. And people want to know what the tasks are. The tasks are very simple and it works. Here she is saying that it works. It works. Everybody is earning money over here. Everybody is. So if you want to earn money, maybe you're a newbie. The program is very newbie friendly. There is no recruiting. There's absolutely no chasing family, no chasing friends. You don't have to make a list of all the people that you know and call them up and bug them. You don't have to do any of that. This program is absolutely amazing. It's absolutely amazing. Okay, let's see what's going on. We have success coaches over here that help you. We have an amazing mentor, the founder of this program, Miss Amanda Wray. Look, this came in today, $50 from Allison. Everyone is earning in this platform. Jerome has a great post here, a great picture. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Everyone is earning in this platform. And it's just absolutely amazing because when you think about it and you start trying to earn money from home, you get to the point where you've listened to so many different people and you tried so many things and it just doesn't work. You struggle. So this platform, it really helps you to brand yourself. It also helps you to become attractive so that you don't have to chase people, that they come chasing you. And that's what's so amazing about the program that she has created. And I'm going to try to log into my account so that you can see the proof. That's what we're here for. You're here to see the proof, like how I earned $3,000 from this particular program. OMG. Let's look for the proof, guys. We're here for the proof. Let's see if I can get over here into my back office and see how much I've earned. I'm not mistaken, I think it's $3,000 already. And I've been in the program just like a couple of short months. So that's like 8 weeks. Oh, there it is, guys. There it is. There it is. There it is. The proof. $3,000. And people want to know, like, what are the tasks? The tasks are so simple. It's stuff that we do already on Facebook. It's things that we do that we already do on Facebook. If you're logging into your Facebook account and if you're scrolling and you're commenting and you're liking, you know what I'm saying? You can actually get paid to do that. You can actually get paid to do that. You show up to a webinar so that you can learn. You show up to the training so that you can learn. Those are the tasks. And it helps to brand you as an entrepreneur. It helps you to be attractive so that people will come to you and you don't have to look for people. It's absolutely amazing. So I invite you to click the link down below or up above, wherever you find it. If you find this on my Facebook page, or if you find this on YouTube, click the link and join us. Join me so that I can help you earn money from home. This has been Jackie Everidge from Dallas, Texas, and I will talk to you guys soon on the next video.